May the Valkyries welcome you and lead you through Odin's great battlefield. May they sing your name with love and fury, so that we might hear it rise from the depths of Valhalla and know that you've taken your rightful place at the table of kings. For a great man has fallen,
back the flood in the
a warrior,
skyscraper town.
a chieftain,
You
father,
gave all that sweat and blood, now you
friend.
think you're gonna drown.
I'm not the chief that
You can't
you
tell
wanted me
that
to
you're
be.
bigger than the sea that you're
I'm not
sinking in.
the peacekeeper I thought I was.
You don't know what you got,
I
but
was
you
so
got it
afraid
at your
of
fingertips.
becoming my dad, mostly because I thought I never could. How do you
You got
become
it
someone
in you.
that great, that brave, that selfless? I guess
You got it
you can
in
only
you.
try.
Dad?
When the
I
lights
know,
go
yeah, but that was
out and
before
leave you standing in the
it's all so messed
dark.
up. Take this out on me. Be mad at me, but please,
No
just don't
one
hurt
ever
Toothless.
told you
Right.
this would be
That's
so
what you're worried
hard.
about? Not the people you almost killed?
Just protecting me. He's not dangerous.
They killed hundreds of us!
And we've killed thousands of them. They defend themselves, that's all. For once in your life, would you please just listen to me?
You throw your lot in with them. You're not a Viking. You're not my son.
Not everything
The world
you hear
wants
sound
peace.
like the truth.
And we have the answer back on Burke.
'Cause nobody
Just
else's
let
words
me
can
show-
define you. Maybe you don't see it, but you're quicker than the world can spin.
The face of it.
You should know what you got, 'cause you got it at your fingertips.
Toothless, come on. What's the matter with you? Get off. Stop.
You got it in
Snap
you.
out of it.
When the lights go out and leave you standing in the dark. No one ever told you this would be so hard. I know you think your fire is burning out, but I still see you shining through.
You have the heart of a chief and the soul of a dragon.
You got it in.
Only you can bring our worlds together.
When the lights go out
That
and leave you
is who
standing in
you
the
are,
dark.
son.
No one ever told you this would
the
be so
chief
hard.
has come home!
I know you think your fire is burning out, but I still see.
If we want to live in peace with our dragons, we need a better plan. We have to disappear. Off the map. Take the dragons to a place where no one will find them. My father was obsessed with it when I was a boy. He made notes and maps in search of the ancestral home of all dragons.
Legends tell of ships that sail too close to it, only to drop off the edge of the world, never to be seen again. But those sailors who turned back told tales of a great waterfall and dragons guarding the entrance to a hidden world. Not just a nest, Hiccup, but a land from which all dragons
You
come.
got it in you.
The people, the dragons. I say Burke is wherever we go.
I'm with him! Who else?